Hi everyone, in this video I would like to show how you can log out of the Google accounts at the Play Store or on basically any Android smartphone. So let's go ahead and start. In order to do that, you gotta open up the Play Store. Here, expand the profile icon you have. Go for this dot, expand this section, and choose the Manage Accounts on this device option. Here, you gotta tap on Google and choose an account that you want to log out from or sign out from. I'll just choose this one. More, remove account. And if we will open up the Play Store again, we'll see that there is only one account, Google account present. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.